Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Akash here, and you're watching Tech Infinity. So, Samsung has finally released the Android 10 upgrade for its Samsung S9 and S9 Plus users. And I think Samsung has grown quite a bit because compared to its past, this time around the software update is a lot quicker. I remember the days when they used to give software updates after the launch of their S series device in the next year. Like, for example, in the past, it was like S5 would get the next Android version upgrade after the S6 got released with the newer software. But that has changed considerably because Samsung is going to release the next S series device in a couple of months, but we already have the One UI 2.0 and Android 10 for the Samsung Galaxy S9. So as you can see here, this is the January 1st 2020 Android security patch. So that's nice. And as you can see here, there's also option of going full screen while call or pop-up or mini pop-up. And I'm making this recording with the inbuilt screen recorder. So this was the update notification that I got. So it has a lot of changes. We'll be going through many of them right now, but this is mostly an first impressions video, and the full review will be coming in a bit on whether you should upgrade or not. But my first impressions are pretty good about this Android 10. So I'm recording this on the inbuilt screen recorder, and as you can see here, there are three options here: no sound, media sounds, and media sounds with mic. So media sounds are basically any content that you are playing on your phone. Like if you are playing a song, then it will record the song as well with the media sounds. So this is a pretty cool feature introduced. Now let's go in. So this is a full-fledged screen recorder, and I really like this one. As you can see here on the top too, there is some stuff. So let me just try. So there's a blue color, yellow color. Okay, so let me just go back. Okay, yeah, so here we are. So some of the Samsung apps have been updated as well, and let's go in. And as you can see here, you have the option of some status bar customization as well. So I'll be going through all the options here. Now there's a quick panel layout. As you can see here, you can choose to show the brightness on top, and other than that, you have the button order as well. So one interesting thing that you can notice here is this Wi-Fi calling. So Indian Airtel users can finally use Wi-Fi calling on their Samsung Galaxy S9 with the Android 10 upgrade. So today I did both the Android 10 upgrade and the January security patch on the Android Pie. So maybe Wi-Fi calling would work on that too. I'm not sure, but it did not work for me before that. So it either came with the January security patch or with Android 10 upgrade. But overall, it's great to see that. And Geo Wi-Fi calling was already available here before that, so that's cool. And as you can see here, there are a few options for the quick settings, and we have the screen recorder as well, and you have edge lightning option, Dolby Atmos, quick tile, and dark mode. So this is a very interesting thing. So okay, so I'm not able to use it while a theme is on. So basically this dark mode is really nice, because as soon as you turn on this dark mode, all the apps that support dark mode would automatically change their theme to dark mode as well. So in just for example, say Instagram is all white, but when you turn on this switch, you don't have to individually go into the app to turn on the dark mode. The dark mode will be automatically turned on Google Fit and all the several Google apps and Instagram and other apps that support the dark mode. And you have digital well-being and parental controls option as well. And you have a few advanced features. Okay, so here is the Bixby button. So okay, so you can use single press to open camera and double press for Bixby. So that's decent. Okay, so let's go chronologically. And here are a few options. Pretty standard stuff. And you have the download booster and whatnot. So we'll go full in depth on those things later, because I need to use this ROM more to kind of do that. So here is the dark mode. So I need to disable my current theme to do that. And okay, you have display options, touch sensitive. Okay, so here we are. I restarted the recording because the recording got closed while changing the theme. So here we go again. So this is the dark mode. So just by tapping that, all the themes on the different apps will turn to dark theme, which support this feature. So a lot of apps support this feature already, and as you can see here, this is the dark mode, and automatically all the apps that supported it will turn to dark mode. So I think I'll just end the video here, and I'll go more in depth with this particular room and come back with a full review for you about how the performance has improved or not, or how the battery has improved or not, and any major bugs that has come with this update, and whether you should really upgrade or not. But so far I'm liking this interface and the new update, so I'll get back to you on that one. So if you like this video, do click the like button and also subscribe to my channel to see the full review. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.